At Wallpaperdirect, we believe transforming your space should be something to be proud of. So, to get the most professional finish for your walls before painting or wallpapering, priming and/or hanging line paper is the recommended step. Make sure your walls are clean, dry, and free from dust. Fill any large holes and sand down rough spots. Ideally, you should then use a wallpaper primer sealer to make sure the walls are the best surface possible to apply lining paper to. With pastel wool lining paper, there's no soaking needed. Just roll or brush the paste straight onto the wall, a little wider than one length width at each time. Hanging lining paper horizontally, also known as cross-lining, helps to create a smooth surface and prevent the seams of the final wallpaper from aligning with the joints in the lining paper. Use a spirit level to mark a straight horizontal line where the top of the first strip will go. Typically, you start from the top of the wall and work your way down. Now, position your first strip, lining it up with your horizontal mark. Press it gently onto the wall and smooth it out with a smoothing tool to remove any bubbles. With a sharp knife and straight edge or scissors, trim the excess at the sides. Repeat the process for each strip, making sure the edges butt up closely or follow the manufacturer's overlap instructions. Let the lining paper fully dry, usually 24 hours. Then you're ready to hang your wallpaper. Now head over to our other how-to videos, including how to hang wallpaper and wallpapering tricky bits. Even if you have hung wallpaper before, it's always good to get a refresher.